You asked, how to divide 1215 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 405.